Hope you guys all had an amazing weekend. It's time to get back to Print City, trading with the team. Let's get after it today, people. So again, remember last week was really crazy in terms of the overall economic data that we had come out. This week's is a little bit slower. We do still have some stuff coming out. Home builder confidence here, housing starts, building permits, jobs report, existing home sales Thursday, and PMI on Friday. So Friday's really going to be the largest day in terms of economic data, guys, for what's going to come out. Well, now we're just kind of waiting to see what the market wants to do after the data from last week. We saw a lot of volatility, and that's great for people like us. You know, we see these moves to the upside. We nail it down. You guys knew that this move was absolutely crazy on the SPY on Friday with us. Thigh Gap was able to top ticket. So shout out to those of you guys in Master who have access to those tools and that strategy that were able to absolutely drill this move from these highs over here. But team, I hope you guys are ready to have an unbelievable week again here. Welcome back to Print City. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Ooh, let's see who we got here. Good morning, SB. And everyone was in Boston the past weekend. Went to Fenway and SB. If you weren't there, you have a twin. Because someone looking like you was up on the scoreboard. Oh, that's pretty cool. I wasn't there. That's interesting. I was not there. I almost was going to go to a Fenway bar on Friday, but then we didn't. But no, I was not there. You smashed that SPY dip on Friday? Yeah, dude, it was nasty. So, I mean, again, you look at Thigh Gap here and you guys, I think you guys can still see it. I'll give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek at Thigh Gap. Okay, that's fine. Those of you guys not in Master, this is what you're looking at here. So SPY runs up very aggressively. You see Thigh Gap, dark, switches to light right here. Absolutely nasty top tick on this light here. You can see that this is the candle that you're getting. You go dark to light. You can ride this thing all the way down to here. Nasty trade. I mean, if you wanted to stay in it, ride it out through all these levels on the downside there, you could have as well. That's kind of the scale out point. But again, Thigh Gap's an absolutely nasty tool. And for all of you guys that are sitting on the outside right now, remember, everybody still has access to over 90% off their first month to the platform. You guys have seen it. You guys know the deal at this point that are sitting on the outside. All the alerts, the algorithms, again, you guys aren't going to find anything like this anywhere else. Stop getting led to the slaughter, man. I mean, really. Also, I have an unbelievable video coming out for you guys later today. It's going to cause some emotional damage. Make sure that you guys have notifications turned on for this channel. Remember, we are starting to transfer over the streams here over to the Trade 1348 YouTube channel as well, which I believe I have the link to over here. Yep, I got the link to the Trade 1348 channel right here. Make sure that you guys are subscribed over there because we are going to start moving those streams over to that channel, man. And then all the videos are going to be coming out over here. So get ready for that. That's going to be fun. I probably have 2 or 3 videos coming out for you guys this week. It's going to be awesome. Do you like emotional damage? Dude, it's going to be hilarious. People are going to lose their fucking minds when they see this video. They're going to be like, what? You bet stock man on internet that I was listening to led me to the slaughter? No fucking way. All right, guys, let's have a good day today. Keep hitting that like button on the way in and hop in there to community. It's $5 for your first month. I don't know what you're doing at this point. I feel terrible. I mean, even the traffic lights, guys, I feel terrible for those people not trading with the traffic lights. 1 minute traffic lights, filthy. 3 minute traffic lights, nasty. The 4 hour and the daily for you 9 to 5ers. I can't wait to hunt for some more today on the swing side. I mean, I did swing some Qualcomms into Friday, but they had a lot of time on them, so I did make some money on those. Same thing with the Delta swings. Those were both fun. But yeah, I'm just going to be looking for some more swings, guys. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a very, very fun week. You subscribed and have the notifications on. There we go. Good morning, SV and team. There you go. 1 minute traffic lights have literally changed your life, bro. Cynical Mailman, I appreciate you, man. Again, that is our goal around here, guys. And I think a lot of you guys have seen that we're very, very good at accomplishing a lot of the goals that we set out over here. One of them is to change your guys' lives and give you guys the tools to actually make money in the market. That interview in the description here, man, of Jason turning 8,000 into 1 million, absolutely incredibly powerful. I mean, we just have such an amazing system, community, platform. Shout out to everybody on the team, Diana, Algo, Hot Potato, Andy, Ivan, Gabe. I mean, we are just ripping it up for you guys. So shout out to all of you guys that have been with us in there for a while, and welcome to all the new people, man. We are going to get you guys up to speed printing, but we're going to show you how it's done today, dude. We are going to show you how it's done. Face looking much better. Thank you. I appreciate that. Why no AMC around here anymore? Oh, well, Ape is a literal failure. And I told you guys the day that it was coming out that it was going to tank and be a terrible, terrible, terrible idea because of the way that it came out. I told everybody that day. And then I was correct. Now you're going to see, Kieran, I have a video coming out today a little bit that we are going to be talking about AMC a little bit. Now, it has nothing to do with what you think it is. Exactly. We trade AMC puts mostly. Right. But what you guys are going to see is that if you listen to the people that actually knew what they were talking about, you would have been able to not only get out at good times, but also make a shitload of money in the market. So you guys are going to see that later today. It's a really, really powerful video with our algorithms, man. It's absolutely nuts. Yeah, that's the deal. I mean, I don't think it's going to do anything crazy now. Ape killed it. And that's what I said the day it came out. And that's what I'm still sticking with because that's what the situation is. You hit 1,500% on puts 2 weeks ago. There you go. Sorting Sin, Daily Taylor. Good morning. AMC is over. I mean, that's what we've been telling you since last August. But we do have a video coming out later today. I hope you guys are ready. It's going to be emotional damage city is really what it's going to be. Emotional damage city for people. They're going to be like, wait, what? Good morning, Vix. What up, Javier? How you doing, buddy? Dude, I am pumped. Let's go make some fucking money today. How about that? How about we make some money, huh? That's what we're here to do in the market. And Kieran, if you are interested in actually hopping in and making money in the market consistently, we got you. Cheers, man. See, Kieran, I like you. See, here's the thing. Kieran comes in here and just asks a question. Now, I could have been a dickhead in the morning and been like, fuck you. Why are you asking about that? I don't really give a shit anymore. But Kieran, welcome, buddy. Hopefully you understand. I mean, this is the things that we've been talking about. If you want to join the community, again, it's $5 for your first month. We can actually help you get up to speed really, really quickly, making money in the market. That goes for all of you guys. But I mean, again, stop letting yourselves get led to the slaughter, guys, by people who just don't know what they're talking about. There's people still saying that it's going to fucking go crazy. Nope. Making money sounds nice. Let's do that. Let's do it. What happened with Google? Haven't seen any news yet. Interesting. Google. Well, that's not good. Down 3.73% in the pre-market here. Let me look. I'll be able to find something pretty quickly. Google. News. On concern about AI threat to Google's position in search. That's what it is. So it's basically ChatGPT. Your face isn't as shiny today. Yeah, guys, my sunburn's like gone. I don't need it anymore. My sunburn's all good to go. All good to go. Android wants Bing, not Google. Interesting. But let's see here. Yeah, guys, again, if you guys wouldn't mind, we're 10 likes away from 50. Keep running those numbers up. Help spread these streams out to some more people here. And let's get ready for the market to open, man. I mean, again, I need your guys' help spreading out this information to all these people. Again, you affiliates have been crushing it, man. Keep that up, spreading the good word about what we're doing over here, actually helping retail investors print money in the market safely. ChatGPT gets info from Google from 2021. Oh, interesting. Does it accommodate from the UK availability for accounts? You've been interested for some time, but not sure where you can get it. Yeah. We have people from the UK that trade. You can use interactive brokers. There's a lot of different things that you can do. I'm not from the UK, so I would do a little bit of research on your own. But if you can trade shares of anything, you are good to go. A lot of our members are trading shares. It's a lot safer. It's a lot less stressful. But those are things that you can do. You can trade options in the UK as well if you find a good broker. But yeah, Kieran, we have people from all over the world. All over the world. Then we can get you into masterclass. And that's when things really start to ramp up. What's the video going to be about? The video is going to be about 1-minute traffic lights, scalping strategy, risk management, and just overall trading. So guys, I'm going to be I know a lot of you guys have been very curious about the algorithms that we've been building. They're super, super powerful and super successful, man. People like to say that they're building algorithms. They're not. They're building a fucking indicator. We are probably the only people actually out there that are actually building algorithms that trade autonomously. We're the only ones that do it. They're absolutely incredibly powerful. We're the only ones that actually use them. So what we're doing is we're kind of lifting up the veil a little bit on some of the back tests that we're doing. And the one that I'm going to show you guys on today is on AMC for about 5 years. The one that I showed you guys on, what was it, last week? What stock was that on? I think it was the short the VIX algorithm, which was really cool. Without saying it, did I swing anything? No, I didn't swing anything. I was out of all my swings, Ralph, on Friday. Cool, because I was up over 2%, and I was like, I don't really want to hold. I'll just take the gains. Like, I'll just take them. So, yeah, you guys are going to get some risk management lessons in there, too. And then we have another video planned this week about, so the AMC, I'll tell you guys the algorithms back test just to get you guys a little excited for it. The test on, I think it's 15,000%, 14,000% returns in about 5 years, trading with our strategy and the way that it goes. Very simple. I mean, it's another proof of concept that what we're doing here is incredibly powerful and it works. The GameStop one is even wilder. It's like 40,000. It's fucking insane, dude, what this algorithm was able to do. Masterclass yesterday was freaking great, bro. Learned so much just in that one class. It's mind-blowing the stuff y'all are teaching us. If you're not in Master yet, then do it now. Gerald, thank you, buddy. We appreciate that. Shout out to all you guys in Master. Remember, you guys have your own chat now. You guys get Thigh Gap, all the additional streams, the morning ones with Gabe, my midweek ones on Wednesday, the Sunday ones. If you guys are interested in that, remember, go to your subscriptions page. You are good to go. All you got to do is click Get Master, and you guys are good to upgrade. But Gerald, I appreciate you, buddy. Nick Baker trades from the UK, uses Tastyworks Tasty Trade, but many US brokers allow UK residents to open accounts. They should have that info. There you go. Kieran, there you go. See, Kieran, I like you because you're coming in with an open mind, and I love that. What most people do is they'll come in and be like, I know, sock on a moon. And then they just like, they end up fucking themselves over the long term. Kieran, I like your attitude here, bro. I like it. You were using Weeble in Qatar with a VPN from US. Jim, that's a bit nuts. Good morning, SV. What up, Andrew? How you doing, buddy? All right, guys. Again, keep slapping that like on the way in. You guys are crushing it today. I appreciate you guys. But yeah, make sure you guys are hopping in there. I'll throw the QR code up on the screen. Oh, it's already there. QR code's on the screen for you guys. Use code PRINTCITY, and you guys are in. Morning, gang. Watching SpaceX Starship launch could indirectly affect Tesla, good or bad. Is that today? What time is that, DM? That's a good thing to watch out for. It definitely could. What time is that? Yeah, exactly, Eli. Like, yeah, I want to know what time the launch is. That would be very interesting. Yeah, I'm also posting a bunch of educational threads now, mainly on trading psychology on Twitter. So if you guys do see those, if you wouldn't mind liking those are helpful. The TUS strategy, dude. The TUS strategy is going to be good. The video that Gabe brought to you guys, I know you like that one. He's got a lot more videos coming for you guys too. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. Oh, 10:20 Eastern. Thank you. Thank you, DM. I appreciate that, buddy. 10:20. Okay, so we'll watch Tessie around there. Somebody just remind me of that. Sweet. You saw Tesla calls with the launch today? I mean, Tessie's up a little bit here. Well, because I was hunting Tessie puts for this move right here. Yeah, open. Yeah, like I had some puts fucking around in here. I was like, nah, cut them. And then this I was looking for. I was gonna hold some. I didn't. I just ended up swinging some other stuff, but that was an interesting one. Tessie slipping a little bit here. Where's Nancy? Not really doing a whole lot. Let's see. AMD, kind of same deal over here too. Netflix. Okay. We can look at Google as well. Google could be nice for a little reversion move today. I mean, it kind of already did it. I mean, this was a nice one off these lows here. Again, this is the thigh gap switch candle right here. So at 806, you get that little reversal right around 104.50. Current, I mean, again, thigh gap's so dirty, everybody. Like, you guys have seen me use thigh gap. You guys have seen me use the traffic lights. It's an absolute fucking money printer, dude. An absolute money printer. SV or tweets were lit. Definitely helpful. Manny, I appreciate that. Yeah, I got a few more planned for you guys. I'm going to drop them a little bit later today. But let's do it, man. Also, I have a little bit of a special announcement. What's the new strategy? What do you mean? Thigh gap only for master? Yeah, thigh gap's in master. I have a little bit of an announcement. So I got invited to be on this Twitter space panel. Now, you guys know kind of how I feel about the previous Twitter spaces that I would used to go on. It's usually a bunch of nonsense, but there are a lot of really, really educational spaces out there that I think people could learn a lot from. Now, I was reached out to by Wolf Financial. So shout out to him for reaching out to me. I'm going to be a panelist next Sunday at 11 a.m. Let me see what the exact title is about. It's about trading. Let's see. I believe it's called Traders Roundtable. Let me look back into the the Traders Roundtable trading strategies. Sunday, April 23rd at 11 a.m. We're going to be on that Twitter space. Love Wolf. Yep. We're going to be on that Twitter space team. So that'll be fun. That'll be fun. Make sure that you guys are go over there and we're going to have some fun. Sunday at 11 a.m. Then we got masterclass with you guys at 2. It's going to be good. Happy Monday, team. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. Yeah, that's going to be fun. I'm excited for that. Yeah, I saw that message. I was like, absolutely, I would go do that. There was one that I kind of wanted to do. It was like having a career in finance, but I was like, I'm probably not the guy, even though I I know pretty much all the steps to go, how to do it, what you're going to do. But you guys kind of know how I view like the overall financial space. If I wanted to do it, I would have done it. So like I don't have a very positive view on like the typical route in finance and what they do. So I was like, I probably shouldn't do that one because I'll just talk a bunch of nonsense. But it's all good. Well, because I've seen it so many times. Like, because a lot of my buddies do it. I've seen people do it. It's if you like it, you like it. I mean, again, it's nothing against it. It's not for me. Wolf and Mario are your favorites. Nice. Yeah. So I'll be going on the space with Wolf next weekend. That'll be really cool. Hope you guys are ready for that. Shout out from Seattle team. Let's print. Let's do it. Couple. Oh shit. CME group to expand Bitcoin and Ether options expiries on May 22nd. I should send that to the guy I know who's creating the crypto platform. Let's see. Where is he? Yeah, I'll send that to him. That's pretty interesting. Yeah, so there's this guy I know that I met a couple weeks ago. He's starting a like an options trading platform that has like the user interface like of Robinhood, like not of Robinhood, but it's like not gamified, but like it looks clean. And I was looking at it and I was like, that's pretty cool. If there's liquidity there, I would use it. This guy has a bunch of open doors for a financial career instead of this has to whore off angles for likes. Yeah, exactly. Do we need TradingView Pro Plus for the latest chart? Yeah. In Master, yeah. If you guys want to play with it, yeah, you do need a higher TradingView. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to use it. That's like part of the Gabe's laboratory. So we're messing around with stuff. You guys are going to be a part of that. You guys can see any of the new indicators and things that we're looking at in the laboratory. But let's see here, guys, again, if you guys wouldn't mind. Oh, there's like about 100 of you guys that haven't hit the like button yet. Slackers over here. I've got like a leftover burrito ready to go too for lunch. It's going to be great. It's going to be great, man. I'm going to have some fun. Thank you for the likes, but I'll hit it. Thank you. Weekends are busy here, so I even missed the master stream yesterday. Yeah. Yesterday's was a good one. We were going over Barry's trades. And guys, here's another thing that I need you guys to realize about trading, especially for those of you guys that are new. I need you guys to hear this right now. Those of you guys that are new in trading, you guys have to hear this. So when we are trading with our traffic lights and with thigh gap and everything, there are going to be some trades that absolutely knock it out of the park because that's what our system enables us to do. Very simple. That's what your system, no matter what it is sometimes going to give you trades that fucking nail it. Now, what separates a really good trader from a mediocre or an even unprofitable trader is how you manage the trades that don't go in your favor, because those are going to happen. It is inevitable. You are going to lose trades. Now, there are going to be even some times where the trades actually reverse very quickly. Now, how do you manage that? Now, what we were talking about yesterday in Master that I could make a little bit of a short with is when you're thinking about it like this, it's not so much nailing the good trades. Like it is, like you want to be able to nail and fully capitalize on the really, really solid trade setups. but it's that little difference in the little bit more better of managing those trades where your entry is better. You're waiting for the retest. You manage the risk a little bit better on the trade. That's really going to separate you. So I think people get discouraged sometimes when they say, oh, this trade didn't work out. I don't care trade by trade basis. If you know your win rate is 6 or 7 out of 10, you have no idea when you enter any given trade which 6 out of 10 or 7 out of 10 or 8 out of 10 of those trades are actually going to be the ones that work. So it all comes down to how you're able to manage your risk and manage your entries and the trade while you're in it and managing your exits. That is the most important part. I don't want any of you guys feeling discouraged because there's no point in that. Sometimes the trades are not going to go in your favor. It's very easy to manage a winning trade. But a losing trade, cutting it quick, is what we need to do. Seems like 90% of trading is closing out bad trades. Yep. Did the stream just go black? No, it shouldn't have. It shouldn't have. Can you guys still see me? I see it on the YouTube feed. Hold on. Nah, we're good. We're chilling, team. We're chilling. Reuters poll, Bank of England to raise bank rate 25 basis points to 4.5% on May 11th. 33 of 61 economists, 28 said pause. Interesting. Stream's fine? Cool. All right. So, again, you guys kind of know what I'm looking at here. I'm very interested in NVIDIA. I've been really nailing a lot of these NVIDIA moves. So I might just be patient and wait for that. Most of my gains over the past few weeks here have come from NVIDIA. So I might just start hunting that. I've been all over NVIDIA recently. So we'll see. You guys saw me hit this one. You guys saw me hit this trade. Let me zoom this in on Friday, right up to resistance, thigh gap, boom. That was absolutely disgusting. We'll see what we get today. See if we hit some more dirty ones. They should be money for nothing. They should be all good to go. Three-minute? What do you mean not working? No. 3 minutes should be fine. 3 minutes should be fine. Reloaded. It works now. Perfect. That was a dirty trade. Yeah, that was textbook thigh gap. And I mean, again, I bet there was a 1 minute traffic light flashing in here too. Like, if you look at this, there was a 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute traffic light was right here. So I was entering up here with thigh gap. 1 minute traffic light was getting you right down here with this retest. So either way, whatever tools you guys have, you guys are going to be good to go. I mean, thigh gap is going to give you much better trade entries. I'll tell you guys that right now. NVIDIA and AMD usually do a nice retest of a level at open, but sometimes there's a retest and just a complete reversal. Those get you quick. That's why I like it so much, because you can wait for it to make that initial move and then boom, dead. Roblox pre-market nosedive. I did see some news coming out about Roblox, but I haven't seen what they do. Oh my god, 11%, almost 12% of the red down here. Holy shit, that's a dirty trade. Wasn't this traffic lighting down on the daily or the Oh no, it wasn't. That, oh my god, dude. Was this traffic lighting on the 4 hour? Yeah, I mean, you do have a traffic light down on the 4 hour here. That's pretty dirty. That's pretty nuts, man. Yep, but also make sure that all of you guys have notifications turned on for this channel, man. Because we have a fucking gem of a video coming out later for you guys. An absolute gem. Yesterday, you pulled your first gray hair out of your head. You're 24. Uh-oh. Much love, SUV. That YouTube short of losing 40K was insane. Keep those stops tight. Dude, you guys saw that? Yeah, that's a very famous video from Wall Street Bets. Good. Yeah, make sure. I mean, those shorts are fun. I'm going to probably have shorts out every day for you guys. I mean, again, they're going to be on Instagram and TikTok as well. So make sure you guys are following me over there. All right, guys, 20 minutes until open. Let's get after it. Oh my God, we got like what? 25 likes away from 100 already? Thank you, team. I appreciate that. Hold on. Whoops. Oops a daisies. Was that the guy's life savings or something? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was. I'm pretty sure it was. Have you seen the one where the guy lost 90K on Tesla live from Russell Best Suit? No, I haven't seen that one. Send me that. Send me that, Eli. I have not seen that. Can you send me a link to that on like Twitter or Instagram or something? He literally lost 50K in a second. Yeah. So what he was doing is he was trading what are called box spreads on Apple earnings. He thought that he was basically like had an arbitrage opportunity. Obviously, he did not. Here's your like. Good morning, Skankles. Let's make some money. Chip Todd, let's do it. Yeah, Eli, send me that one. I want to see that Tesla one. Yeah, so that one of those is on my YouTube Shorts page right now. I mean, we just do a quick options breakdown. I mean, you can't. I'm here back for more new attitude. Everybody, I want to give everybody a shout out to Barry. And a special thank you for Barry here for being open with explaining to us and letting us cover his trade that he messed up on last Friday. Now, Barry, I hope you learned something from that. I mean, again, that risk management is going to be so key. And here's the problem: what we don't want to happen, Barry. And this is the thing. Sometimes, like if you were to consistently go in with that percentage of your portfolio and let those trades go down so much, you're going to get discouraged and be like, this doesn't work. But you're like, at the end of the day, you have to realize that then you're not following the rules. Again, guys, you hear so many people in our community all the time saying, oh, when I follow the rules, I do very well. But when I don't, I get hammered. It's like, yeah, that's why the rules are there. That's why the curriculum is built. If you guys take the time to learn the curriculum, understand the rules and exactly why that they are there, you're going to have a lot more success. Back from vacation last week, I have a little catch up to do. New charts seem rad. Dude, they're awesome. I mean, hopefully you guys are ready to go with thigh gap, traffic lights, everything like that, but let's do it. Sent it on Twitter. Eli, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. I'll use that one and another one there. That'll be a fun one. Let's see. Oh, Musk SpaceX postpones first Starship rocket launch test. Musk says pressurant valve appears to be frozen, so unless it starts operating soon, no launch today. That's interesting. So there may not be that Tesla launch, or not Tesla, SpaceX, but it could affect Tesla. Yeah, thanks for putting yourself out there, Barry. I'm glad the trade turned out, but there were some good lessons for us all to learn. Yes, exactly. Also, for those of you guys that are actually, this is a question that I want to ask everybody. Is anybody close to becoming a millionaire right now so we can do another millionaire interview? Because we have Jason's. That's a pretty good one. Some of you guys I know are close with traffic lights and thigh gaps. So those of you guys that are close, let us know, man. Let us know. Once you guys hit that big 2 common number, you guys let us know and we will get you on an interview, man. But again, I mean, the things that we're doing here are so incredibly powerful. Shout out to those of you guys that are a part of it. Those of you guys that are curious, again, that special 90% off your first month is not going to be around forever. So make sure you guys take advantage of it. Hate to admit it, but I blew up my account twice by not following the rules. I reloaded my account at the beginning of the month and trading 1 minute traffic lights, and you're up 200%. Cynical mailman, that's what I love to see. And again, as we see every single time, when I don't follow, when like this is the quote, when I don't follow the rules, I get fucked. When I do follow the rules, I do very well. Shout out to you, buddy. You like the Rumble trade idea too? Yeah, that's over on Rumble. So that was a Rumble exclusive video. That could be a fun one. I'm watching it. I'm not watching it too closely, but I mean, I'm watching the catalyst for what could set it off. What does the new indicator do that Gabe added to the chart? Well, he'll go over it a lot more in the master stream this morning with you guys. Thanks, man. Been with you guys since the beginning. Love this community so much. Thank you, Cynical Man. I appreciate that, dude. On the way to the first million. There we go. Hey, good morning, SUV and the team. Let's get it. Hope you have an awesome day. Let's do it, Kelly. Think you're gonna watch AMD for a bounce today? Oh wow. Yeah. Holy shit, yeah. Same thing with Nancy. I mean, Nancy. So here's the thing with AMD and Nvidia. Sometimes one of them makes the better move, and it's almost like, oh, which one's it gonna be? Which one's it gonna be? So we'll see what happens with them. But yeah, I'm watching Nvidia and AMD very closely, as usual, man. I mean, those are the ones I watch very, very, very closely. Let's see. Ooh, 10 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. We got about 14 minutes to go until open here as well. Let's make some damn money today. Let's make some more money. That's what we're here to do. Oh, guys, I have this video coming out later for you guys is going to be life-changing. Life-changing video here. Once you guys see the power, it's like, what the? Let's see. Yes. The master level updates. Yes. Yes, Michelle. Let's see. Taxes? I mean, just talk to your tax professional. I mean, it's just you're always going to be taxed at short-term capital gains. You've been looking at Take-Two closely when Rockstar is close to releasing the GTA 6 trailer. Oh, that could get interesting. RX Deluxe went boom with Merc buyout. Spread's going to be crazy with waiting on the traffic light. It sounds like a penny stock, but I mean, so here's the thing. There's a sliding scale of risk. If you guys are going to trade with proper risk management and a strategy on some high risk things, I can't really say much as long as your risk management is in check. If you're doing some wild shit with it, that's when I'll come in and crack the whip on you guys. But other than that, man, I mean, just keep it smart. Don't do anything stupid. I don't trade penny stocks for a very specific reason. I don't think it's worth it. Maybe you could swing them, but not for me. I think there's way better opportunity elsewhere. It's an opportunity cost issue. So those of you guys that have taken economics classes in the past know the concept of opportunity cost. I think that the rewards are much better and can be much more consistent. On just trading the big names, the blue chips, NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple, SPY. And that's what we do here with you guys. I don't want any of you guys thinking that you need to go with these super, 5 billion market. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. I see the X and I'm just like, oh, maybe thing, but still a good penny stock rant. Still a good penny stock rant. So if it's not a penny stock, I mean, go for it. Do what you got to do. I just didn't know what it was. But all right, team, let's have some fun today. We got 12 minutes to go until open. Keep smacking that like on the way in. And make sure that you guys are hopping into the community, man, before that offer is gone. That $5 for your first month. Use code PRINCECITY. You guys are good to go. But those of you guys who are considering upgrading to Master, we have some crazy shit coming in the future, guys. It's bioscience by the looks of it. RxDX could be, and again, biotech. I don't like biotech either. Let's see. So many people are against the short-term capital gains, so I have to basically teach them on why I don't mind paying tax. Yeah, well, that's just silly. Matt Carroll, that's like basically saying, would you rather make $50,000 and pay no taxes or $1 million and pay short-term capital? I'm going to take the more money every single time. It doesn't make any sense. Let's see. But all right, guys. Ooh, it looks like it's time for masterclass over here. So make sure that you guys head over there. Gabe's going to break down that new indicator for you guys that you guys are going to be playing with. That's going to be fun. DFLI. What's that? Energy? Okay. 5.7. Okay, this thing's moving a little bit. I mean, it's 570. That's super, super borderline. I mean, this thing is whoa. After hours on Friday, it was up to, or what is this, dude? Or is this pre-market? Yeah, this is pre-market up to 982. That's a bit nuts. Tabasco took 1348 to 20K and under 4. Is that where he is right now? Hold on. Is that was that posted in Market Talk? No way. Where is that, dude? Because I know he was killing it. Like I've seen him crush it before. I don't know if he's at 20K right now. If he does, I'd love to do an interview. 20-second SpaceX. I don't think they're doing it, Eli. Elon said no. There are a bunch of ways to reduce taxes as well. Yeah, I got to figure that shit out. I wrote all my tax checks on Friday. I hate that, dude. That sucked. But then I went to the playground this weekend and it was fun. So whatever. You're gonna be like, taxes? I love taxes. No, you're not. Trust me. I mean, it sucks. Either, no matter how you put it, writing those checks is the worst thing in the world. It sucks so bad, dude. Because like I know at the end of the day that I would if they said, hey, you have to do if you have this amount to pay in taxes, but you owe like your community something, like you have to use this money to do good for the community, I would spend it a million times better than the government would. You know what I would have done? Here's what I would have done. I'll tell you guys right now what I would have done. And I was going to do this last year, but then I just didn't. And I felt bad about it. And I would never, ever, even when I do this, I will never tell you guys, but this is what I would like to do. Because I hate the whole concept of like showing people like the charity stuff that you would do on social media. I fucking hate it. It's like one of my biggest pet peeves ever. It's between you and the person. Stop filming it, you dickhead. Okay. So this is what I would want to do. I was gonna donate to the special needs day camp that I used to work at in high school. Like if the government said you have to do something good for a community, that's where the money would go. Simple. That's a better use of funds than sending it over to fucking Ukraine. This Forex trade is printing. Good shit, Tyler. There you go, buddy. I'm still thinking about getting a funded futures account for fun. Let's see, because of proper risk, trying to play chop, but you learn. Andrew, that's good. That's really good. You would much rather use charitable deductions instead of giving your money to the government? Yeah, I mean, I would too. I would too. But all right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Those of you guys that headed over to Masterclass, we will see you guys a little bit later. Let's get after it though. Futures accounts are fun. Yeah, I know. I'm really thinking about doing it. Just to like, maybe I'll make some videos about it too. Like, fund it. Like, I feel like it'd be fun just to like play around and document it. Somebody has a funded. Is it you, Sorting Sin, that has one? Yeah, it would be. Yeah, I think it would. One of you guys has it. Don't you? I just don't like that trailing drawdown rule. Like, I mean, again, it wouldn't be like I'm sitting here scalping futures a billion times a day, so it wouldn't be that big of a deal, but it would be fun. I'm thinking about doing that. I'm thinking about doing that. Not like a big. I'm not gonna buy like a fucking crazy account. Just like a fun one. Let's see. It's crazy how many people I have to persuade to look at the past capital gains tax. No, I know, but like at the same time, it's like if you can't convince people that like make more money, pay more taxes, cool, whatever, you still end up with more money. I mean, those people probably won't be able to have success in trading. I don't think. Like if you don't understand the concept of taxes, it's like you make more money, you pay more tax. In short term, it's not like it's higher; it's the same rate. Futures taxes are different, though. Futures taxes are different. I can see that. Yeah. So, all right, guys, we got 6 minutes to go until the ding ding. I hope you guys are ready. This is going to be a good day. We are going to have another good day, man. Being a former combat vet, your charity be for homeless vets. That would be awesome, Vic. Thank you for your service, man. What I still don't understand is that you can lose your entire account from one trade if it goes against you for futures from your radar on Google. Okay, so here's why. So Eli, this is what you're doing. So when you're trading futures, this is going to be a little lesson for you guys in futures. So when you're trading futures, you're using margin to essentially control an asset. Now, that asset then controls a bunch of the underlying, and your position is going to move based on what that underlying does. So, if your position, and let's say you're trading out one of those brokers that the day margin is only 500 bucks, where you can trade a mini with 500 bucks, when at other brokers it's like, I don't know, 11,000, or whatever the CME says, like the 11 or 12,000. Well, you're essentially controlling a position that's worth with one contract, like I think it's like 200 something $1,000. So if you see a drastic, like let's say you buy 10 contracts, well, you're trading, okay, so you have $2 million of exposure. So if that goes down a significant, like even 2%, that's a big move in terms of what your position's actually going to be marked as. That's how you can lose more than what's in your account, long or short. So you have to be very careful with futures, and you have to make sure that you have very, very, very solid risk management. Let's see. Spy slipping here a little. Let's see. Oh, you guys are going nuts on Instagram too. I appreciate you guys spreading the good word of what we're doing over here with the platform, man. I mean, shout out to all of you. Again, everybody gets their first month for $5 there. You guys know the deal. I'll throw that link in the live chat for all of you guys on the outside as well. That offer is not going to be around forever. So here you guys go. Use code Prince City. We're all good to go, team. You guys are welcome into the platform. You got your ticket to go to Prince City with us. It's the final countdown. No, we can't play that. We'll get copyright struck. But also, I think YouTube's like chill with like me using music in like my shorts, which can be fun. On the options contract, no, you're not buying options on futures. You're buying the actual future. You're controlling the actual futures contract. You can buy index options though. I mean, I bet there's a market for options on futures, but that's like kind of crazy. That's a bit nuts, you know? Tessie bounced off that 3-minute there, 3-minute 200. Nancy just chopping around doing nothing. AMD's getting fucking mollywopped here. Is there news on AMD this morning for this thing to be knifing like this? Hold on, let's check that really quick. We got 2 minutes until open. Let's see what the news on Amanda is, why this thing is getting fucking mollywopped. AMD, NVIDIA, semi-cap companies seeing positive sentiment ahead of Q1 results. Interesting. Pinterest, AMD, and 2 other stocks insiders are selling. I see now. All right, I'll throw that QR code back up on the screen for you guys there. What are you thinking about Baba after their spike at pre-market? Probably nothing, Kelly. I think I like Baba more on the swing side. Because the spreads for the day trades are kind of annoying. I don't really like having to set my stops so far away, so I don't get wicked. I kind of like trading Baba a little bit more with the swings. Like, what's Baba doing here? It's at 96. I mean, where were we entering Baba? Back down. Okay, so this is funny. This is my Baba entry, so it's like right here. I think it's off the daily. So you get the 4-hour. Maybe it was this. Nah, maybe it was this move here. Maybe it was this. I don't know. I'm trying to think of where the Baba move was that I hit. It was like 2 weeks ago or something. Oh, no. It was this gap up. It was this pretty aggressive gap up here. So, maybe it wasn't. I don't know, but we did nail that Baba trade a few weeks ago. But yeah, that thing's moving a little in the pre. That's up 2%. Okay. Less than a minute to go. We got 45 seconds, team. Let's go. Dixie looking strong. Interesting. News is good for AMD. Why would insiders be selling? Could this just be some BS? It could be. It could be. But here's the other thing you have to think about. Look what AMD's done. You guys got to realize this too. Look what AMD's done on the daily. Like it was at 55 and it hit 102. Like you've seen a double. Like that's kind of crazy. All right, ding ding ding, market's open. Let's see what we're going to get here. Come on. Why is it doing that? Come on. Come on. Here we go. Yeah, AMD sharking. Spy little movement here. Where's Nancy? Nancy with a shark to the downside. Tessie with Tessie clean bounce off that 3-minute 200 there. Netflix, another one I'm going to be keeping a lookout for. Amazon also. Okay. Yeah, I'm interested in these AMD and Nvidia moves down here. All right, guys, let's get after it today. Let's make some fucking money. Let's Patience is key. Wait for your setup. Execute. Bing, bang, boom, done. Microsoft shares up 1.4% after report. Samsung Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's not that aggressive. Could get a nice clean bounce off that 3-minute 200 there if this thing wants to sell a little. Oh, also, guys, it's Marathon Monday today. I bet it's a zoo everywhere in Boston. Like, seriously, I bet it's a zoo. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Help spread these streams out to some more people so we can help more retail, man. Whoa, AMD. Holy shit. I mean, you might see some insiders selling on the tape, man. I mean, Netflix slipping here. What's Tessie doing? Tessie back down to that 3-minute 200. I mean, again, guys, you guys know what I'm looking at. Let's see what we get. See if we catch something nice. I want Microsoft down to this 200 here. Netflix probably not. So we can get here. We can get Google up here. Yeah, Amazon starting to move higher. Let's see. Oh, that's double Microsoft. I don't want that. Where's Google? That's Google. I don't want that. I want Google. Google looking like it wants to peak up a little here. Bitcoin below 30K. Probably just slipped off the highs. Apple's looking for it. I don't hate Google here. Hold on. Apple. Yeah, Apple could be a good one to hunt. Google right at a level. Let's Spy peeking. Nancy screaming. Let's see what we got here. All right. Well, I just did some wizard shit. Don't really know how this has happened, but I just got two of the most disgusting fills of all time. I don't know how I've done this. But I'm up 12.5% on Google. So I have now a stop and profit on that thing. So, bro, wait, where's the stop on this? Yeah, that's fine. I don't know how I got that. I seriously don't know how I got that fill. I'm a lot on this, dude. Why are these moving around so strangely? This is a bit weird. 10% on Google? Yeah, I mean, that's good. I have a stop and profit here. I could just take it. I don't know. We'll see. Spy moving. There goes the spy. Yeah. Well, no. I mean, I bought it when it was breaking this level. So I'm up a little bit, but like nothing crazy. I mean, I was in and out of that trade in I literally bought it, sold it. Like, oh, AMD's reversing? Ah, not even. Yeah, I don't want that. That's a little bit much. Nancy looking okay. All right. So I've scaled out of the Google, which is cool. I'll leave that there, see what it wants to do, and then we'll keep going, man. So I just have a stop and profit on it. If this thing ends up running back, so the 200 EMA is going to be a spot where I'm interested in selling more. We'll see though. Spy, nice move here. No, no, no. AMD is not one that I would look at now. It's too aggressive off the thigh gap here. It's too aggressive. They took me out of Google here, which is fine. That's okay. That was a little bit of a smaller size trade, so I'm up like 0.6. Apple did it. So these moves are a little aggressive, man. Yeah, so Google was basically 3-minute traffic light. Here's Nancy. Here is Nancy screaming. You like the 5-3-1 rule? I like that too. I like the 5-3-1 as well. Tessie looking interesting here. Got some resistance overhead at 187.82 for Tesla. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. And remember, everybody gets over 90% off their first month to the platform. Again, you guys, that offer is just not going to be around forever, man. It's ending soon. So use code Prince City. There it is. And those of you guys that still need to join Masterclass, you guys know where to go. Go to your subscriptions area on platform, hit Get Master, and you're good to go. Let's see. All right. Let's see. Can we call it the 513 rule? Oh, sure. Morning Vic, Sticker, we so up. What's the highlighted candles on trading view? It's telling you that there's most likely going to be a traffic light coming. Oh, what's this? Hold on. X paying up 11.8% after company unveils new cost-cutting EV platform. That's interesting there. All right, so SPY with a little break retest of the 200 here. Let's see what this wants to do. Look at the Tesla loss. It's hilarious. I'll probably use it in a video, Eli. All right, nice. How do you have to double click. So the double click. All right, I have another trade that I'm cooking here. You guys should be easily be able to tell what it was. I've already scaled out. I'll probably scale out a little bit more in a second here. Let's see. Nice. Cool. Even who's the chancellor? Yeah, Captain George. Yeah, Adam Aaron's shitty. We know this. Come on now, bro. What are we doing here? Let's see if SPY can get a break. Yeah, little break there. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Captain George, I mean, again, you guys know that I was telling you guys since fucking, what do you call it? What do you call it? Since it came out. Let's see. No, didn't want it here. Nah, that's probably going to get me. Nah, we'll see. I mean, this stop is super tight, so we'll see what it wants to do. We'll see what it wants to do. Yep, they took it up over 1% on the day here. Not bad. Not bad. I might just be burning it now. Not bad. Apple right back down. I mean, SPY's still fine. It's still above that 200 there. And Captain George, I don't even know who the chancellor is. Yeah, little scalp there. I think I hit like what 7% on that one. That's fine. I don't need big trades. I'm 2 for 2, up 1%. I might just kill it there. Might just be done for the day there, man. Let's see. Easy money. Costco's on a moon mission? Is it now? Yeah, Costco ripping there. There we go. There we go. Let's see. Hold on. Hold on. All right, what do we got? Nancy, I mean, this was a good thigh gap play. You had to be ballsy to take that one though. Tessie looks a little interesting here. I mean, with my account already being up 1% for the day, I'll probably just chill. I mean, again, why do I need to trade anymore if I'm already up 1%? Like, and here's the thing that I want you guys to do too. When we're in the markets, and I was trying to go over this with risk management, those of you guys with small accounts, I want you guys to do this. We've talked about this before. I was in a Twitter, I think it was in a Twitter thread. Was that a Twitter thread where I was like I don't think I tweeted that one out yet. The mirrored account where you have it at whatever oh no, I did. Whatever your goal is. Like let's say that your goal is to have $100,000 in your account to trade with. Now, in order for you to actually have success with that, you have to be able to effectively manage the money that you have right now. So what I want you to do is that when you're up 1% for the day or 2% for the day, I want you to go over, and I showed you guys this in the masterclass stream, where you can go in and basically create your own compounding. So you say, okay, if I'm up 1%, that's plus 1,000 to the account and you're good to go. Would you stop then if you were up 1,000 for the day? If the answer is yes, there's no reason why you need to be trading your small account anymore. Very, very, very simple, guys. Up 5%, done trading. Thanks, STV. JH, good shit, dude. Good shit. Let's see. And the thing about trading that way and managing your portfolio in that way is that it's going to help you get to that goal way faster because you actually get to put the power of compounding interest on your side. Portfolio up 5.3%, done for the day. You're out holding. Good shit, dude. What are you guys up today so far? Dude, it's like 15. This is a 15-minute workday. I could just be done right now. Done. No work. I worked for 15 minutes. I'm done. Up 1% for the day. Thank you. Like, do you guys see the power of trading? We're done. Okay, so this is what I need you guys to realize here, man. Like, we're on the stream right now. And I'm going to keep streaming because I want to teach you guys and get you guys up to my level. But if I was just doing this on my own and I'm up 1% for the day, I'm turning off the fucking screens. I'm done. I'm leaving. That is the power of what we do here. Some of you guys are up way more than that. 3, 4, 5% on the day. Get out. Stop. This is the power of trading, guys. Once your account starts to grow, you're like, all right, I just made whatever. You're up. There's no reason to continue trading. And again, you guys can see here that this was such a baby trade. Oh, I'll go over this SPY trade with you guys really quickly. So this was the trade that I took on SPY. 3-minute traffic light, break above the 200. I just basically nailed the retest. 412.77 all the way up to these highs of 413.19. So it was about a 50-cent move, which is pretty good. But I'm scaling out along the way. It was a nice, tiny little base hit here. Now, the SPY could have the bottom drop out of it right here with this traffic light to the downside. Easily could. But if you're looking at this on the 1-minute traffic light right here. Pretty good. Now you've got this level, 412.21. If you want to take it through here, that's going to be probably the first scale out point. You have the risk basically at a traffic light to the upside or even a break of the 48.13 or 200 as your risk. The risk is super, super, super tight. I don't really see a problem with this. I mean, you see 1-minute thigh gap here coming down as well. You could have nailed that. But again, the entries on thigh gap, I don't take them on the 1-minute. The 3-minute, yeah. I mean, I could fuck around with this one. I wouldn't, though. It's not really extended enough. You're still seeing the SPY in a little bit of chop land here. What, 45 Tesla calls on the dip for a month out? God damn, DM Ohio coming in here with the big guns. Yeah, and if you guys want to be a part of this, man, continue making money in the market every single day, not getting led to the slaughter, here's that link for you. Trade 1348, man. There you go. Use code Prince City, and we are going to be all good to go. So now I don't really like much about this market here. Maybe a little bit later in the day, but being up over 1%, why do anything? Why do anything else? Why would I want to do anything else today? Like, think about that. With a $100,000 trading account, 1%, $1,000. $500,000 trading account, $5,000. 300,000 is $3,000. If you're up to $1 million in your trading account, that's 10 grand right there in 15 minutes. It takes the same amount of work to make more money in the market with the same percentages. That's why you guys need to focus on the fundamentals, the core concepts now, because inevitably, if you do that, you will get up to those larger numbers, and you need to know how to manage that. I did that last week. I've never been so pressured to take 2% before. Exactly, Pepe. What we're doing here is not necessarily learning trading. I say this all the time, that trading in and of itself is easy. Here's why. And this is a little bit of a hot take. Maybe this can be my next little Twitter thread there that I'll throw off for you guys today. Trading is easy. Like, it's not, you have a system that works, implement it over the long term and make shitloads of money. You have an edge. You have a positive EV bet every single time you go into the market. For those of you guys that like to gamble, positive expected value every single time. You have an edge in the market. Exploit it. Where trading becomes difficult is managing emotions, risk, and discipline. That's what's hard. It's not trading. It's yourself. You guys all know that there are times during the day you should go to the gym. Do you? You should eat healthy. Do you? You probably shouldn't drink 1,000,000 tequilas on the weekend. Do you? It's discipline. It's managing yourself. It's not so much the market. It's called die gap. Yeah. People just want to turn $10 into 10 million. True. Did we change the colors of the lines? Yeah, I think so. I mean, again, you guys can all change them back to what you like. I've always had them with the original colors. I like the original colors on them. See, this is what I was saying with the SPY here. Like, I don't like anything right now. It's just in chop land. DM, making money on Tesla. NVIDIA. I mean, the move was up here. You got this candle. I mean, you could catch it up here. You get you catch a dollar move on Nancy here. You're right at the 200. I'm not taking that. I mean, even though it's trying to blast through here. I don't know. I'm up 1%. I think I'll just burn it. I think I'll just burn it. I like both of these trades. I usually size them a little bit more, so I probably could be up 2.5%. It's just I wanted to take my base hits, make some money, and run. Still up 1% on the day. Perfectly fine. I'm probably just gonna burn it, dude. Nice, consistent growth in the trading accounts. That's what we need. That's what I want you guys to see. It's so simple. Again, guys, if you are enjoying this stream and you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, helps out get these streams out to some more people. Makes it easier for you guys to find them when you come back. But these streams are going to be on the Trade 1348 YouTube channel in the future. So probably after today, I tried to link it up over the weekend. We couldn't get it going. There's one final thing that we gotta link up to make sure that I can stream on that channel. But this is the channel right here. Gabe and I are going to be going live over there today. Gabe's going to be going live at 10:30 on that channel there. So make sure that you guys are ready, man. I mean, that's where we're going to go. We have an amazing video coming out for you guys later today. It should be around 4 p.m. I just got to figure out what the title and thumbnail is going to be. But yeah, around 4 p.m. today, you guys are getting an absolute banger of a video about traffic lights and algorithms. Dixie above 102. That's interesting. Did Nancy slip? Yeah, Nancy closing candle down below that 200 there. That's interesting. I mean, this is kind of at 50-50 point on Nancy. You have the swing low, you have a swing high, you're chilling right in the middle. I kind of want to wait for a confirmed move, especially with the SPY here. Like, if SPY can break out of this range, then yes, then you'll have a better indication of where the market's going to go. But if it's going to stay between 412.22 and fucking 413 here, I'm probably not taking much. And I mean, again, that's one of the things too. You got to be disciplined. You got to hold yourself to what you say. If I say I'm done for the day, up 1%, probably should just be done for the day. How long has DMOIO been trading for? Not sure. I'm not sure. Oh, DM. I still would love to do an interview with you, man. Just kind of just like a general interview, I think would be very cool. If you're open to that, I could message you. I think we've talked about this a couple times in the past. If you're open to doing an interview, I think a lot of our community would be very interested to hear your story. I think that and I think it can come with a lot of interesting learning experiences too, and learning trading learning lessons in there. So if you're open to that, I would love to do that, DM. When you say resident whale, you mean huge port? Yeah, yeah. I mean, unless DM gives me the green light, I'm never gonna tell you what the numbers that he sends me sometimes, but it's ridiculous, guys. The amount of money that is possible with our system to be able to generate out of the market is insane if you follow the rules, but you just have to listen. It's like I've said before, everything you've ever wanted out of the market has been right in front of you the entire time. You just have to be willing enough to pay attention and look, you know? Like that's why we created this platform for you guys so that you guys are able to actually make money in the market. All right. We got some movement here. Costco, Google, interesting. Where's like Netflix, Microsoft, things like Netflix made that nice thigh gap move here on this candle from 335. Wow, nice little dollar move on Netflix there. Microsoft was another one that was moving this morning. Now it's selling back off. I wanted to bounce off the 200. You didn't get it, so let's see what happens later. But Netflix, interesting here. Oh, DM Ohio's out. Have a great day. Damn, we missed him. I'll shoot him a message. Something wrong with Speed Racer? There shouldn't be. There shouldn't be. Are you talking about the one? I mean, we are just chopping around. All right, let's see. Hold on. What's going on here? Is there any data at 10? Home builder confidence. Seeing some movement here. 3 candles will highlight white. Does it? It indicates chop. Let's see. Randy, I'll take a look at that later, buddy. Let me look. All right. I'll take it. It might be on a different link though, so I'll have to take a look. Badoo! Speed Racer! Dinging! Yeah, spy getting a little spicy. China warns of major military action in Yellow Sea on Tuesday. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Hold on, what are we gonna get here? Oh, Speed Racer's going off. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but Speed Racer's dinging. Speed Racer's dinging. I wonder what she's saying. Oh, I see her. I see her. Yeah, this might be off the China stuff, and we're about to get Home Builder Confidence Index now, too. Yeah, this is an interesting candle here. This is a very interesting candle. Let's see. All right, guys. Again, keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's see. No, here we go. Data candle. This isn't crazy data here. It's nothing wild. So we'll see what we get. Netflix looks interesting. I mean, two trades on the day, up 1% on the account. I gotta not trade anymore. There's a nice move up. Let's see. Bad but better than expected. Home builder confidence. 45 versus 44 in March. Interesting. Let's see. Yeah, you're just seeing chop. Tesla hit 2% on the port. You're out, Big C. Whoa, Speed Racer's going nuts, bro. Speed Racer's going nuts. I love it. I love it. Speed Racer. All right, let's see. Hold on. GM Tesla Ford models to qualify for full 7,500 US tax credit. Yeah, there goes Nancy up. That's why I was like, yeah, I don't want Nancy down off that. That was 50-50 zone there. Tessie right up. Netflix made the move. All right. So for those of you guys that are still curious about all the amazing value that we're offering you guys in Master, look what Thigh Gap just gave you. This right here, Netflix candle coming up in here. The 2 and the 3 minutes gonna nail this move. You get this candle kind of coming in. You get 335. You get this candle here, 335, 338. You were able to just catch like a $3 move on Netflix there, bro. That's your Thigh Gap for the fucking win. That's why when I tell you guys that like it's nasty, there you guys go. So make sure you guys are hopping into Master if you guys are still ready. If you guys are ready to take it to the next level, get Thigh Gap, all the additional streams. It's disgusting, bro. And again, for those of you guys that were asking me whether or not I still trade the traffic lights, it's the SPY and Google trades this morning were both 3-minute traffic lights. Both solid 3-minute traffic light trades there. Bro, SPY is just, nope, this is just fucking nonsense. This is just chop land. Like, all right, what are you guys looking at now? Speed Racer working now. Refresh your browser. There you go, Randy. Yeah, dude, my Speed Racer's just dinging all over the place. Ooh, hold on. Ooh, I don't hate it. I just hate SPY. I hate SPY right now. Let's see. $4.11, send it. I mean, $4.11.50, I could see. Yeah. Let's see. 43 days left. On what, Skidmore? On what? 43 days left on what? Let's see. Boeing is slowly recovering after Jim Cramer killed it. Is it? That was earnings. It wasn't Jim Cramer. It was just shitty earnings. Oh, my Thigh Gap here, dude. Bro, this is what I'm saying, dude. Thigh Gap break of the 200. Boom. You get 202 to 204. Jesus, dude. Jesus, bro. Jeremy, welcome, welcome, bud. Whoa, speed racers go. Dude, do you guys hear that? Speed racers just dinging all over the place. I love it. All right. Uber Eats and Leafly partner to bring cannabis delivery to British Columbians. Uber peeking off that. Uber's peeking off that. That's interesting. Nice little 3-minute traffic light here. There you go. See, I don't like much on the chips. Tessie could get interesting. So Spy's really the only one. I mean, you get this candle closed down here in the next 10 seconds, you might see a little slippage. A little slip. Took a break from the game to work on your company. There you go, Jeremy. It's not a bad move. We're dinging. No, bad. I think QQQ can slip down to 317. Let's see. Oh, it. Yeah. It's 50 cents right here. 317.50. It's bouncing off that level. 317.50 from here. Oh, that's the 1 minute. Hold on. Let me throw this on the 3. Yeah, I mean, you've got some levels down in here. Let's see what happens here with the SPY. I'll take a dime back in a burrito. Dude, that Uber stuff is funny. All right, guys, we are 20 likes away now from 150. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Who's going to be the lucky number 150, man? Thank you, guys, for showing up on these streams, man. Again, shout out to all the new members as well coming in, joining the best community on the face of YouTube. I love it, dude. I love it. All right, I'm out. You moved to British Columbia. There you go. Oh, scratch golf. I played like fucking shit in Florida, dude. Just terrible. I could not hit the ball. Well, it doesn't matter for me. You got stopped out at 12% for the second time, 2.19% on the day. This team is amazing. Pepe, there you go, buddy. Yep, for all you guys on the outside, you guys know where to go. And guys, that video later today coming out at around 4, oh, is going to be disgusting. Did I go to the playground? Yeah, I went to playground this weekend. It was a great time. Great time. How's the face? Good. Face is good. Dude, I have some funny ass pictures from the playground. We put short the VIX on a sign. That was good. I hate this chop, dude. I don't like any of this chop. Google's just flatline, bro. We don't even need Google on here. What about like Netflix? Netflix was interesting. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing with Netflix. You get these moves and then shark. What's the playground? It's a fun time. It's a fun place. US SEC says it charges crypto asset trading platform Bitrex and its former CEO for operating an unregistered exchange broker and clearing agency. Oh boy. The playground isn't a strip club. Yeah, it's not a strip club. You might see it here. You got the retest of the 13. Watch for 1221. If they start to knife this here, Speed Racer's starting to go off. If they start to get this here, that might be interesting. It's where magic happens. It's where a lot of fun happens. I was really hammered Saturday. Well, let's see. It's fun, man. I mean, you got to do what you got to do sometimes. I found it. Oh my God. I found like a lounge spot, bro. Oh dear Lord. It's not like I found it. I knew it was there. I just hadn't been before. And I was like, this is it right here. It's like, this is what I need. It's the perfect in between from playground and the Spy's not doing it. Yeah, the 5 minutes hunting this. No, 5 minutes bending a traffic light here. It's just look at these look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute looks horrendous, dude, on the SPY. It just looks bad. Like there's no movement here. Wait for it to make a trend and then we'll see. It needs to break above or below. What kind of food? It's Mexican food. It's also in Southie. Like, I was like, damn, this place is sweet. Another retest here, that 13, man. The buyers are just keeping this thing up. Tessie slipping now. Let's see. Dude, it's just slow. I mean, you can kind of see it. We scalped our money. I mean, we're kind of done. Let's get that crack. The liquid type of food? I mean, they do have the liquid type of food. They do have that. That's definitely there. All right, team. And another rejection off this 13. Let's see. All right. Nancy. Netflix with a slip. Chipotle? No, it's not Chipotle. I do like Chipotle, though. I haven't had Chipotle in a while. Yeah, this could just be a chop day so far. I mean, I'm guessing this is a relatively low volume day right now. What about like Lucid Rivian? Yeah, nothing, man. You watched my Rumble video, very interesting. Thank you, Jeremy. I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, I am posting videos on Rumble. Sometimes there's going to be some Rumble exclusives over there because we just can't post them on YouTube. But yeah, make sure you guys are following me on Rumble. Same name, Short to Vix. I'm gonna post the video that I'm posting today on YouTube too. It's gonna go out on Rumble probably first, so get ready for that. That's gonna be fun. But yeah, make sure again notifications on. We're gonna making a lot of videos now, team. Education. We're gonna get you guys going. Have I ever had mod pizza? No, I don't know what that is. Weird Dixie steady up, but Spy is choppy as fuck. Watch the bonds. If the bonds aren't moving, that's probably what this is. Or VIX not moving. Bonds or VIX. I mean, you can look at the dollar for it, but if there's nothing crazy happening in terms of like things in other countries, you may not see the dollar go that nuts today. Ooh, Speed Racers going nuts again, team. Here we go. Let's see. Yeah, we're literally just in the chop zone. I want to break above or below of this opening range that we have here. That's really it. That's really it. All right. What do we got? Very slow here. Very slow. This almost, you know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of the afternoons. Like, it reminds me of, like, afternoon price action where, like, nothing too crazy is happening. You're not really seeing it break above or below. It's just quiet. It's almost like the market's waiting. And especially for those of you guys that are up over 1% on your account, don't be trying to fly in and do some wizard shit. It's funny. I'm like flat. I'm like 1% flat on the day, which is wild. I don't know how I did that. Yeah, Leo. I mean, I don't know about that one. I have to take a look at the energy stuff like OPEC. STT. What's this? Oh, State Street? Okay. Wow, wow, wow. What's up with State Street today? Down 14%? What the fuck happened? Largest yeah, but what? Oh, earnings. State Street first quarter earnings declined, pulled down by lower fee revenue. Oh, interesting. Masterclass was fire. Always gems in there. There you guys go. Tour. All you Masterclass people, welcome back. Again, guys, you guys have been absolutely crushing it over there in the Masterclasses with Gabe. Remember, for those of you guys that still have to hop in there, you go to subscriptions, you go to Get Master, and you are good to go. And you can join us in all the fun on all those Masterclass streams. I have an awesome Wednesday Masterclass prepared for you guys this week. Tesla discloses another fatal U.S. crash. It's not really moving on it yet. Yeah, on these kind of low volume times, I mean, usually the Bulls are going to win, but we'll see. Up 3% on the port with just 1 minute traffic light on Tesla. There you go. We're back. Speed Racers dinging over here, team. I love it. And again, for all of you guys, remember, everybody gets access to over 90% off their first month to the platform. Here you guys go. Here's that link again. Boom. There you go. Use Print City code. Print City. I mean, you get this closing candle above the 200, 3 minute traffic light to the upside, risk at the 200. I don't hate it. It's just still range bound. Still very, very range bound. Yeah, just chop city. I'll go 100%, buddy. 100%. And for those of you guys coming back in here, if you haven't already, make sure you guys hit that like button. Helps out a whole lot, man. Spreading the good word of what we're doing over here. Tessie down. Nancy, nothing. AMD, nothing. Netflix. This could just be a day where the moves happen in the afternoon. Tyler, what up, buddy? What do you mean by usually the Bulls are going to win? I mean, typically when you see like super low volume, I mean, again, the Bulls usually are able to overpower the Bears because the Bears don't really have like a big incentive. Like if they do, you're just going to see them start slapping those bids with sell orders. But you're not seeing these moves get followed through on the downside. The Bulls just keep coming back and moving this thing up. Now, if something changes later in the day, now it's very possible that we could sell. But as of what we're seeing right here, I mean, I think we could definitely get a little move up. I mean, it's just a traffic light. We're still in the chop land, though. It's just chop, 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 chop. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not really peeling as much anymore. My hand is a little bit fucked up still, but other than that, we're chilling on the sunburn. Let's see. Like, you can just kinda see it too. These moves are just so slow. They get sold right into. Dude, this oh my god, the Tessie thigh gap was this candle. So you're riding this thing from 188.22. You get a nice little dollar move here down to the 48. That's nice. Another solid thigh gap trade there, guys. Dude, it's just print. So you didn't get this close above the 200 yet. I mean, you could risk the 13, but I don't want this. Like, this is just chop land. Could it break from here? Yeah, it could. But it could easily just sell back down to these lows and continue chopping. Let's see. Which is exactly what it's doing. It's just chopping. AMD doing nothing. NVIDIA doing nothing. Tessie just bouncing off that 48 there. Where's Microsoft? Okay. Okay. You get this candle right here. This is the thigh gap candle that it's changing on right here at 287.90. You get this nice move up to the 13 and the 200. That's pretty good. Another solid thigh gap trade, man. U.S. House Speaker McCarthy, the House will vote in the coming weeks on a bill to lift debt ceiling into the next year. Interesting. Interesting. If AMD reversal is going to be good, everything, yeah. Been using thigh gap on Forex on the 15, and it's pretty nutty. Tyler, how's it going with the FTMO stuff, bud? You still cranking over there? Let's see. I'm thinking about getting a funded futures account just for fun. Document it. Started the challenge on Thursday, and you're up 2.5% on the account. Atta boy, Tyler. Good shit, dude. You have to get to 20% or 20 grand by May 12th. I think you could do that, bud. In a month, 20% in a month. I think you could do it. Just keep going. Keep doing what you're doing. Microsoft fighting this 3-minute 200 here. You get a break above, I could get spicy. You got 10 seconds left on these 3-minute candles. Ooh, 2 likes away from 150. Who's going to be the lucky number, team? Thank you. Thank you. We're expecting a 9% swing. In what? Shoot the moon. Did T-Mar get a funded account? I think he's trying to get one. Let's see. Oh, Lockheed? Oh, cool. That's a big move. Yeah, here comes SPY a little. There goes Microsoft above the 200. Let's see if SPY can take out this 413.19 and make its way up to 413.74. You can't double like the streamer you would. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Microsoft couldn't hold. SPY neither. Masterclass was sick. 3.4% of the port. Love the new parabolic SAR indicator. There you go, Tuxedo. Yeah, guys, again. Masterclass is fire. Make sure you guys are hopping in there. Let's see. Very slow. Slow. Oops. Dude, I am hungry. I got this burrito I can heat up. That's going to be nice. Yeah, nice little move off these lows here on the SPY with thigh gap, but nothing that's screaming at me that's like really good. Microsoft looks a bit interesting. No, SPY just can't do it, dude. SPY just cannot do it. So this is a good lesson for a lot of you guys that might be new or struggle a little bit. Remember, we are waiting and hunting for our specific setups. If we do not see it, it means we do not trade. It's like the sniper example that I sent out on Twitter for you guys. And what we talked about in the masterclass with that trading psychology lesson. If we do not see what we need to see, we are not shooting. Very simple. We have our one goal and one mission of what we're looking for. If we don't see it, oh, Speed Racer still dinging, team. I like it. Is the market waiting on news? No. No news today. I mean, at 12:45 you have Barkin speaking, but other than that, no. Let's see. Let's see. Dude, this is just slow as. There goes Nancy up a little. I mean, AMD's trying, but hold on. Hold on. 413.19. That's the one you got to take out first. Let's see. Yeah, do you get a reward when you complete it? I think you get your fee back. I think you get your the cost of the I don't know though. I don't know. Google off the reversal light has been dirty. Yeah, it was. I hit that. I mean, you guys saw me scalp it off the 3-minute this morning. That one wasn't hard. That was a very simple trade there. I mean, I'm 2 for 2. I'm up 1%. It's easy. That's easy. Oh, my spy just in chop land today. It's going to be a nice day to learn how to get your patience up, team. Patience and discipline. Let's see what we got. Tessie's slipping here a little, though. Tessie off thigh gap was nasty. You could have hit like a nice little $2 move here. You break this 48, you could sell down to the 200. Microsoft doing fuck all. Netflix doing nothing. If you complete it. Yeah, I think it's you just get your feedback, but I don't know. Let's see. No. Netflix maybe. If Spy breaks and Netflix does it again, maybe that could be a good one. Well, let's see here. No, just chilling. Let's see. All right, guys, it is 10:28 in the morning. Again, market is super, super, super slow, man. So team, hope you guys were able to learn a little bit of something today. Remember, guys, that offer for over 90% off your first month to the platform is not going to last forever. So I just threw that link in the live chat there. The QR code's on the screen. But team, we have an unbelievable video coming out for you guys later this evening. I hope you guys are ready for that. Gabe is about to be going live over there on the Trade 1348 channel, I believe. So make sure that you guys are ready for that link. I will see you guys later. If you guys are up for the day, remember, we are just trading in chop. Relax. Don't try to force anything. If you're green, walk away. But other than that, guys, hit that like button on the way out. Another great way to start off the week. Peace.